Chapter number 13, our environment. Today we will see about food chains and webs. Organisms depends on one another for food. Living organism depends on one another for food and make series. This series is called food chain. What is food chain? The living organism depends on one another for food and make series. The series is called food chain. Here we can see one food chain, second food chain, and third food chain. This is the forest food chain. This is forest food chain. Grass, tree, grass, tree. Now deer, goats, cow use the grass. These depend on trees. And tiger depends on these animals. So living organisms depend on one another for food is called food chain and make series. It is called food chain. This is the food chain of grassland. जमीन पे वेजिटेबल. इंसेक्ट, फ्रॉग इंसेक्ट को खाता है. स्नैक यूज फ्रॉग and eagle eat snake. This is also one food chain. This is the food chain of grassland and this is the food chain of pond. पॉन्ड में जो लीली वनस्पति होती है उसका यूज़ करने वाला इंसेक्टिसाइड है. इसको मच्छी. इसी तरह एक चेन बनती है, इसको बोलते हैं फूड चेन. So the definition of the food chain is organisms depend on one another for food and make series. This series is called food chain. Now each step, this is the first step, this is second step, this is third step. The each step or level of the food chain is called trophic level. Each steps or level of food chain forms a trophic level. What is trophic level? The each step or each level of the food chain is called trophic level. The autotrophs or producers are the first trophic levels. This is the first trophic levels. Autotrophs, which is also called producers. Producers or autotrophs are the first trophic level. They fix up the solar energy. The producer use solar energy and convert it chemical energy. They fix up the solar energy and make it available for heterotrophs or consumers. कंज्यूमर मीन्स जो प्रोड्यूसर पे डिपेंड करता है उसे कंज्यूमर कहते हैं. तो फर्स्ट लेवल इज ऑटोट्रॉप्स मीन्स प्रोड्यूसर. सेकंड लेवल इज कंज्यूमर. इट इज ऑल्सो known as heterotrophs. The herbivores or the primary consumers come at the second. Small carnivores or the secondary consumers at the third, and larger carnivores or tertiary consumer from fourth trophic level. This is the trophic levels figure. Sunlight, the producer use sunlight. This is first level. Producer known autotrophs. Herbivores, which is known as heterotrophs or primary consumer. It is second level. Carnivores, small carnivores, or secondary consumers are at the third level, and the top carnivores, lion, tiger, are the fourth step. This is first step or first level, second level, third level, fourth level. फर्स्ट स्टेप में प्रोड्यूसर मीन्स ऑटोट्रॉप्स, सेकंड लेवल में हर्बीवर्स और हिट्रोट्रॉप्स मीन्स प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर, गॉट, डियर, काउ. स्मॉल कार्निवर्स, secondary consumer, they are in the third trophic level, and big carnivores, lion, tiger, are in the fourth trophic level.